The high-grade recycling technology developed by ROSI can recover high-purity materials such as silicon and silver. As we are developing a recycling technology to recover the raw materials from the PV waste, we reduce and avoid the depletion of natural resources such as quartz, wood, and coal. In recent years, we see that the globalized production system has been interrupted by pandemic or by war. RunPB can provide a reliable supply chain by providing the raw materials we recovered from the recycling technology. We also focus on education and development of skills for the workers. We believe humans are empowered by their knowledge, by their skills, and by their satisfying working conditions. Then we ensure this recycling technology is economically profitable.